Welcome, this is Linda, and you're at Icky Chic Designs. I wanted to show how you might think about loading up a junk journal that you intend to gift to someone. You want to perhaps take it to a certain point because they're not a junk journaler. They don't know how to put these together. But you also want to leave them enough room so they can do some embellishment for themselves and will have elements to work with. So how do you blend those two? How do you make a complete junk journal yet leave it blank enough with enough elements in it to let them play with their journal? That's what I want to demonstrate today. Covers are important and I think should be finished because someone who isn't creative in this field will have a lot of trouble trying to make a cover that they like. So you can see that this cover has just a simple pocket and a little tag in it. The beautiful blues on this journal, it's a very romantic journal with the all the florals and things, the soft colors, the pastels, and it just, everything plays well. But the cover is finished. I would always say finish the cover. Now inside, lots of things are partially in and partially not. The paper here is held in by this little tiny clip here, okay? So it's available for their use to design. Okay, the little pockets there. Adding just a little flip here and there gives them some inspiration of what they might do throughout their journal. Okay, and yet it gives you a chance to embellish just a little bit. Okay, now another paper that's totally loose in here. All right, they can take this out and use it, or they can leave it as a decoration for this page because it's beautiful just sitting there like that. They can decide to glue it in, or like I said, use it for something else. The fact is it's loaded, but it's not finished, so they have room to complete that. Another little just open gives them ideas of what they can do and more places to play. Also, this paper is totally loose and can come out. Can journal on the back of it and put it back in just like it is. Doesn't have to be glued in. All right. We have a little tag here on the side, a little pocket with a something in it, and that one's pretty much finished the way it is. This shows how they might use their papers to make side pockets and put their elements in. Okay. Gives them an idea of how they can use something, cut it in a different shape, round, use it as a journaling area. Just leaving certain elements very simple. Again, just a fold out. Nice papers in between. A little loaded pocket here. This is another little fold out, and it actually is a side pocket from this side. Okay. A little pocket here, and a beautiful piece of fabric that will give them some inspiration. Okay. This is a piece of fabric just cut and slipped in the pocket, right? Again, giving them an idea of things they could use. Now this is not completely glued down, so it itself becomes a hidden pocket. Little flips in the middle. More pages. A little fabric trim here. They might choose to put this on the edges of something. I always like to include something like that because I love fabric on the edge of some pages of a journal. More pages, little fabric bookmark here. Another loose bookmark. And another whole page pocket. Isn't that beautiful? Whole page pocket. Just a simple page here. We could slip something under there, a secret compartment. Loose items that they can use, turn into something that's more fabric, embossed cards, little envelopes, a fabric tag here, just beautiful little things. A side pocket that is loaded with all kinds of stuff in here to be able to, for them to play with, okay? That's how I would load up a journal for someone to be able to actually play with it, embellish it, make things for it themselves. It's finished enough that if they just feel overwhelmed and can't do it, then they just have little items in there to play with, okay? And but you know, everybody really ends up trying. You give a gift like this and they'll end up doing something with all those little extra pieces. They just can't help it. It's so beautiful to start with. They would just want to keep working on it. So think about those things when you're gifting a journal. Don't totally complete it. Load it up so they can have also the same pleasure you find in embellishing their junk journal gift. Okay, till next time, stay scrap happy.